Back in the shop real quick before I end the video. I'm gonna go over all the mods. So this is a 99 base model C5 Corvette, so LS1. Got a Texas speed cam in there, 228 232 duration, 600 lift on intake and exhaust on a 110 LSA, and speed engineering, long tube headers. Other than that, completely stock intake, stock fueling for exhaust, cat delete into an X pipe, and no mufflers. So free flowing all the way, and it's really loud and it gets attention, good and bad. That is why here soon I'm going to be throwing all this stuff on. Quiet down a little bit, hopefully not too much. And for the tune, I just had the PCM sent out for a mail order tune and never had it on a dyno, so no idea how much power it makes. Optimistically, 400 wheel is what I've been telling people. But other than that, stock wheels, 20mm spacers front and back, and they're hyper dipped, anthracite gray. And we are lowered on lowering bolts, pretty much maxed out. And that is actually it. That is all the mods done to this car. What is that? 3 things? 4 things? 5 things? If you like this video, make sure you check out the Corvette playlist. But that's gonna wrap it up for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. Take it easy. See you in the next one.